Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Edexcel. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and if not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to grow the mathematics community. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the solution to this simple A-level question from 2022. Okay, so let's see how we solve these questions in a very simple way. If you have the solution, leave it at the comment section, right? If you have any question that you would like me to solve, just leave it in the comment section. Or you can send it to my WhatsApp number here or in my mail. Then I'll be glad. Now let's see how we do this in a very simple way. We've been given that z equals a plus bi is a complex number where a and b are real constants. So we have to show that z star is a real number. So let's see how we do that. We have z equals a plus bi. So here z star is simply a minus bi. That is the complex conjugate of the complex number z. So if we multiply a plus bi by a minus bi, then we have a squared minus abi plus bi minus b squared I squared. Wow, but square root of -1 is equal to I. So if we square this and square here, -1 is I squared. So we are going to have a squared negative abi cancels positive abi. And this will give us negative b squared times -1, which will give us positive b squared, which is truly a real number in a very simple way, hence proved. Now, the next one is that we have z star equals 18, and then z star equals 7 on 9 plus 4 root 2 on 9i. We have to determine the possible complex number z. So let's see how we do that in a very simple way. Wow. Okay. Now, we have our z star equals 18. This means that a squared plus b squared equals 18 because we've done that one already. Now, we are yet to do this one, z star, which is equal to a plus bi divided by a minus bi. So this one, we need to do what? We need to rationalize. So we multiply here by a plus bi and here by a plus bi. That is the conjugate of a minus bi is a plus bi. Now we've done this one already here. That is a minus bi times a plus bi gives a squared plus b squared. Now we have to do this one. So a times a gives a squared plus a bi, that is a times bi. Then bi times a also gives plus a bi. And then bi times bi will give me b squared. I times I is I squared, which is -1. So this place will be negative. Look at this. This will be plus b squared I squared. So this is plus b squared -1. So positive times negative gives positive in a very simple way. So we can proceed this way. Okay, this is the duster. Let's write it at the top. So we have z star to be equal to a minus b squared divided by a squared plus b squared. Then we have this abi plus abi gives us plus 2abi divided by a squared plus b squared. Now, by comparing this with 7 on 9 plus 4 root 2 on 9i. Then we are good to go because we are going to have the real parts. A squared minus b squared divided by a squared plus b squared to equal to 7 on 9. And we can also equate the imaginary part. But I think this is enough because here a squared plus b squared is 18, which is here. So we are going to put this one inside here. So we have a squared minus b squared divided by 18 equals 7 on 9. Wow, that's very nice. And 18 will multiply this, so we have a squared minus b squared equals 14. Wow, 18 multiply this, 9 will divide the 18 to get us 2. 7 times 2 gives 14 in a very simple way, right? This is 7 on 9 times 18. 9 goes here 1, 9 goes here 2, 7 times 2, 14. Wow. Okay. Now, we have a squared minus b squared equals 14. And we have a squared plus b squared equals 18. We have that one there, right? Okay. You could have also equated 2ab on a squared plus b squared equals 4 root 2 on 9. In this case too, if you put here 18, we are going to have 2 divided by 18, that is a on b on 9 equals 4 root 2 on 9, which means ab equals 4 root 2. Wow. So we have 1, 2, 3 equations to solve simultaneously. So we can solve any of these two simultaneously to get the values of a and b. Okay, I'm using this part. Okay, so if we consider this part, then let us add. This gives us 2a squared negative b squared plus b squared is 0. This will give us 32. And we have a squared equals 2 divides 32, that is 16. Wow. We have a squared equals 16. So let us put this into this one, right? Okay. So we have 16 plus b squared equals 18. And we are good to go. This will give us b squared equals 2. 16 from 18 gives 2. And we have b squared equals 2. We take square root of this, but we have to bring plus or minus. Okay, so we have plus or minus root 2 equals b. We found b. And here, a equals, square root of this will give us 4. So we have plus or minus 4. Wow, that's this. A squared equals 16. So a equals plus or minus square root of 16. And that will give us plus or minus 4. So now let us write the possible complex number. The possible complex number is gonna be z equals plus or minus 4 plus or minus root 2i. Wow, if we want to split this, we are going to have z can be equal to positive 4 positive root 2i, or z equals positive 4 negative root 2i, or z to be equal to negative 4 negative root 2i. And z can also be equal to negative 4 positive root 2i. Now, let us analyze 1, 2, 3, 4 and see. From the question, we have z equals a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers. So if a and b are real constants,
now we are to find a and b from these are possible solutions. We have a times b to be positive 4 root 2. So if we are to choose a and b, we have to consider what their product will give us. Okay, so we have these 1, 2, 3, 4. If we consider which one will give us a positive product, that is 4 root 2. So this will work for us in a very simple way, because that will give us positive 4 and then positive root 2. And then this will not work because you have negative here. It won't give us positive in a very simple way. This will work for us. Minus 4 times minus root 2 give us positive, and this won't work. So the possible answers are 4 plus root 2i and negative 4 minus root 2i. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.